everyone. My name is Natasha Waller, and I will provide a brief walkthrough of my Ruby CLI Data Gem project for Flatiron School. This is the website that I used to scrape data for 12 essential oils. Each oil is listed along with its description, benefit, aroma, uses, as well as a link to recipes and tips. I used Bundler to create my file structure for this project, and I've placed each of the files that are necessary to execute the program here in my environment file. The Essential Oil Central file located in the bin folder is the file that's going to execute the program. It requires the environment file. It also instantiates the CLI and runs the call method on it. When we take a look at the CLI file, we see the call method, which as a first step is going to instantiate the scraper and call scrape our acacia method on it. To see that in action, we'll go to the scraper file, and here we see the scraper class, which is responsible for scraping the data for each of the oils and instantiating each new oil object. From here, we'll go into the oil.rb file, and along the top I've listed the attribute accessors for each attribute that the oils have. I've also set up an initialize method that will save each instance of oil into the @all array. Now we'll go back into the CLI file, and the next method that the call method is going to run is list oils. And list oils is going to actually list each of the 12 types of oils using the each with index method. Going back to the call method, the last method that it is going to execute is the menu method, which is listed here. The menu method allows the program to provide the user with prompts and perform next steps based on the user's input. I was able to use the Colorize gem to add a bit of color to some of the prompts in order to help them stand out. Now, I'll show you a quick demo of how the program works. First, we do see the list of the oils along with a welcome message. There is a prompt that tells us to enter a number of the oil that we'd like to learn about. So from here, I'm going to choose oil number 2, which is frankincense. The program then lists the oil description, benefit, aroma, and uses, and provides us with a prompt that asks if we'd like to read more tips about that oil. I'll type yes. The program then launches a URL which is specific to the frankincense oil, and it's going to provide us with recipes as well as additional information about frankincense. Back in our program, the prompt is listed to ask us to put in another number of an oil we'd like to learn about, or we can type the word list to list the oils again, or exit to exit. I'll go ahead and type list. It provides us with our initial list again. Now, I'm going to type in the number of an oil that's not there. Say, for instance, number 33. Now I receive a prompt that says, "I'm sorry, I did not understand your entry," and the system is going to ask me again to put in a number 1 through 12, or type list, or type exit to exit. This time, I will exit. It provides me with a farewell message, and that's the end of the program. You can find details about this particular Ruby gem at my public GitHub repo, which is listed here. The README provides a description of the gem along with installation and contribution information. Thank you so much for watching.